Wind back the clock. Return to a simpler time. With wood toys handcrafted right here in America, offer the kids in your life some old-fashioned play. Light up playtime with the old-world charm of Amish-made building blocks, fire trucks, and marble-run towers. While children laugh and giggle, you can rest easy, knowing the toys in their hands and mouths are non-toxic solid wood and always built to last. Fill the playroom with farm toys, cars, and trucks, yo-yos and rocking horses that inspire creativity and promote physical activity. And don't forget the fun Amish Surprise Box, a favorite of kids of all ages, not to mention dogs. You can help end the cycle of buying cheap plastic toys that land in the trash. Browse Amish-made children's toys at DutchCrafters.com.